Hey Ruby, hi Ben. I actually spoke with Ruby last week on the phone about me shooting this custom video over to y'all in reference to how your website's doing online. So what I'm going to do first is Google HVAC San Antonio, Texas to see where you're at. This top section up here is the sponsored section, meaning these people are paying for ads. This is Google Map Pack, which obviously you're part of and have quite a few good reviews, so that's awesome. And then down here is like where the actual ranking begins. So the number one spot within your area is Will Fix It. This is the organic section. This is the directory link. And then of course there's Airtron and then there's y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and compare your website to Will Fix It throughout the duration of this video so we can see where we're at and where we can improve. So first things first, I'm going to talk about the content, which is essentially all of the verbiage and wording on the homepage. Really throughout the website, but I'm going to focus on the homepage for this part. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to grab all of the content on their homepage and I am going to put it into my word counter. And you can see that they have about 655 words of content on their homepage. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for you and stick y'all in there. And you are at about 311 words. So Google actually recommends having about 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being that these all provide opportunities for us to stick keywords in there, which will populate you in Google searches. So that leads me to the second topic, which is keywords. So what is a keyword? A keyword are these phrases that we stick into Google to populate these websites. So what I do next to look at those keywords is I take your websites and I place them into Ahrefs, which is an online auditing tool that I use. And as you can see, this is the traffic value that they're generating with spending $0 a month on ads, meaning this is all strictly off of their website alone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on those keywords that they have. And you'll see plumber San Antonio, plumbing services San Antonio, plumbing repair San Antonio, air conditioning or HVAC repair San Antonio, heating repair San Antonio. So things like air conditioning services, as you can see, this has a really high search volume, but it doesn't have a location attached. So that means that that's a nationwide keyword, which doesn't really benefit us in terms of service and bringing in buyer intent customers. Someone in Oregon could essentially Google this and it might populate this website. Is that beneficial to us? Not necessarily. Unless you plan on hopping on a plane, going servicing them, coming back, etc. So we want to stick to those keywords that have the locations attached. So if we take a look at your keywords, you do have quite a few AC Repair San Antonio, AC Company San Antonio, San Antonio AC repair. So those are all good ones. There's so many surrounding towns and neighborhoods and stuff that can also be snuck in there to bring in even more traffic and generate you even quicker and more income, revenue, etc. So the next thing that we are going to touch on are backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is linked 483 times. And what does that do? It basically provides 483 more opportunities to be seen. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, you have 4.09K backlinks, and although they have way less, they're outranking you. What that means is that they have higher powered, stronger backlinks, which is what we look for. So we'd go ahead and add those strong powered, high powered backlinks to your site as well, and then we would continue adding those month after month to blow them out of the water. That being said, I hope that this video was informative to you. Feel free to incorporate these tips yourself, or of course with the company you're currently using. And then also, as always, if you have any questions or would like for me to help you out, I would love to. My contact information will be in the email provided. And thank you. Have a great day.